Hey everyone, my name is Laura and I am the Youth Services Librarian for the Clayton Library. I wanted to hop on very quickly today and show you how simple it is to register for our virtual summer reading challenge this summer. So we have 3 reading challenges that will be going on this summer, one for kids, one for teens, and one for adults. So we've shared those links to these reading challenges on our website and on our Facebook page and our Instagram. So you just want to choose the link for your correct age group. So for kids, that's going to be Rising Grades K through 5th. And for teens, that will be Rising Grades 6th through 12th. So that means the grade that you will be enrolled in this fall 2020. And for adults, that is anyone ages 18 and up. So once again, just double check that you are in the right place at the right reading challenge for your age group. And then you can create a profile and get started. So I'm using our kids summer reading challenge here for our example today. So there's a little more information on the home page. And up at the top is a green Create New User button. So that's where you're going to click to get yourself started. So this takes you to a page where you can create your profile. So to join these reading challenges, there is a little bit of information we need from you. The first thing you'll have to do is to create a screen name. And this is the only thing that will be seen by anyone using the reading challenge website. Everything else is kept private. So you will create a password, your first name, last name, and then we do need a phone number or email address, just one or the other in case we need to get into contact with you. Your age is optional. And for kids and teens, we do need your grade. That'll be the grade, once again, you'll be in this coming fall, and your school, whether that is charter school, public school, or homeschool. For the grade, if you are going to be a rising kindergartner, you'll have to put in the number 0. It won't let you put in K for kindergartner, but you can put in 0, and then all the other grades, of course, you'll just put in the number that correlates with your grade. And the next thing you'll do is to create your own reading goal. So we are encouraging everyone to create their own reading goal this summer. And of course, you want a goal that's going to challenge you, but also one that is attainable. For kids, your goal is in minutes, how many minutes you have read. For teens and adults, your goal is going to be the titles of books, so how many books you have read. You also have a box here. You can briefly describe yourself if you want, or what kind of books you like, or just something you are excited about for this summer. Again, that one's optional. You can upload an avatar if you choose. And then list sharing. You can uncheck this box if you do not want your reading list shared with others. But if you would like to see what other people are reading and let other people see what you are reading to get some ideas, you can click it to share your reading list. Once again, private information is not shared. The only thing that will be shared on the site is your screen name. And that's it. You're going to click on Create New Profile, and you are ready to go.